Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add header on Google Docs. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one document that you want to add the header to. Next, tap onto the text and select it. Now select as much as text that you want to add the header, just like this. Then tap onto the A button. Now here you can see the style, simply tap on it. Now here you can find different kinds of headers. Now choose one that you want to add. Then tap onto the three dot lines and select document outline. And here you can see the header has been added to your document. And that's it. This is how you can add headers to your document in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.